Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. With this video today, I want to introduce to you this new investment website. What you can see right now is the home page of the website, beautifully designed, and the content has been written already. So I'll take you through the website and I will show you how it works. It's actually divided into the home page, the user dashboard, and again the admin dashboard, where you can actually control all what happens on the site. And one beautiful feature of this investment website, which you have not seen anywhere else, is the mode of payments. So this investment website has this automatic deposits. So when I say automatic deposit, I mean that a crypto payment gateway has been integrated to the site, and that's what you use to make payments. So without wasting most of the time, let me introduce you to the dashboard now. I'll go to the registration page. So I'll sign up now. Put in my username and I'll put in my email address. Put in my password. Confirm my password. So it also has this referral link too, but right now nobody is referring me, so I will sign up. As you can see, registration was successful, so I will log in now. This is the user dashboard. You can see how fine and beautiful it is. So you can see it has Bitcoin balance. This means that your balance in Bitcoin, when you deposit in Bitcoin and when you invest in Bitcoin, your balance will actually be topped and be added up in the Bitcoin balance. Your Ethereum balance too, same goes for the Ethereum balance. Then you go for the Tron balance, the Doge balance, the Bitcoin Cash balance, and every other coin which you have here. So when you deposit on each coin and you invest on each coin, your profit will be added to each of these coins too. So let me go to invest. This is where you find all the packages or the investment plans. You can see right now this has the starter plan, the silver plan, the advanced plan, the extended plan, and the 24-hour plan. And it has the minimum deposit amount and the maximum deposit amount. So right now I will select the starter plan. It's asking me which of the currency I want to use to deposit. So I'll select Litecoin and I'll put in the amount, which is $100. Then I will proceed. As you can see right now, the payment gateway is loading for me to make payments. As you can see right now, the payment gateway is actually waiting for the payments. By the time I make payments now, it will get confirmed on the blockchain, and by the time it gets confirmed on the blockchain, the payment gateway receives that amount of coin which I deposited and it sends it back to my wallet address. So I will also show you how you can actually set up this payment gateway. So right now I'll go back to the user side to show you other features of the website. So when you go to investments, this page actually carries all your investment log, your active investments, and your investment which has actually ended. So this is the page that will carry that investment log. Your deposit history too carries the past deposits which you have done as a user. So by the time you go to withdrawal, you input the amount which you want to withdraw. You select from the list of currencies which are actually available. Then you pick the one which you want to withdraw from and you input your wallet address. So by the time you click on proceed, the amount which you want to withdraw will be deducted from that particular coin balance, just as you saw before on the dashboard. Your withdrawal history is actually self-explained, so it contains your past withdrawal. And by the time you go to referral, so if you give a user or anybody your referral link and the person registers with your referral link, you get a commission which is set by the admin, and you can also withdraw your referral bonus here. So this is where you copy your referral link from. When you click on copy now, you can see the referral link has been copied. Your total referral will be displayed here, and your referral history, your referral earning history too be displayed here. The amount and the date which the person actually registered, and the date which the referral bonus was credited to your account. By the time you go to our account side, you'll be able to edit your details, your first name, your last name, your email address, your username, and see the date which you actually created your account. You can go to password. This is where you this is where you change your password. And this go to site again, can lead you back to the home page. So right now I will show you how the admin side works. To log into the admin side, to be slash with the name slash u admin, then I'll put the admin email, and password, and I will log into the admin. So this is the admin dashboard showing the total investors which are registered, the total number of users which are registered on the platform, the total amount that has been invested, the total requested withdrawal too. It also shows on the admin dashboard too. Same go for the total amount that has been withdrawn and the total amount that has been deposited. So all these figures are actually calculated automatically. When you go to users management, you will see all the users that are registered on your platform. You can see they are displayed in tabular form. When you go to edit user, you will be able to edit any user, the details of any user. So when I come to credit user now, I can be able to credit user on each particular coin. You can see now the Bitcoin, the BTC balance, the ETH balance. So when I put in, for example, right now, I put 1,000 here for Bitcoin. I put in 500 for ETH, which is the Ethereum, and the Bitcoin Cash I can put 800. The Binance USD I'll put 700. For USDT TRC20 I'll put 550. For Litecoin I'll put in 600. For BNB I'll put 400. For Tron I'll put 300. For USDT ERC20 I'll put 600 again. And for Doge balance I'll put 800. So you click update and see action was successful. By the time I go back to the dashboard of that particular user, so I'll go to dashboard now. You can see all the balances actually appeared here. You can see now. You can see now. So I'll go back to the admin side now. So the manage deposit side is where you manage the deposit of each user. So once they start making investments, and you have actually, once they start making investments, the investment log will be displayed here on the admin side. You'll be able to see the amount they deposited, the total profit which they will earn, the number of days remaining for the investment to end, and the end date of the investment. And you can actually stop the investment too. So when you go to currency management, you'll be able to view all the currencies, which is all the coins on the website, and change your wallet addresses. As you can see right now, for Bitcoin, now you click on edit address, put in your own wallet address, and click save changes, and see wallet updated successfully. Same goes for every other wallet. So you can't add to this list of wallets, and you can't edit them. You can't delete them. So the only thing you can do is change the wallet address and click on save changes. So for deposit requests, for each deposit that is done by the user, you will see them on this list. So by the time they make their deposit through the payment gateway, and you have confirmed that the payment is successful, you can come here and to approve the deposit. Then the user account will be credited when you have actually confirmed that the payment gateway has finally actually collected the deposit. So that now takes me to withdrawal request. all withdrawal requests will be lined up here. You can delete the request, you can actually approve the request if you want to. And when you go to manage plans, you can see all plans or investment plan. You can edit any of the investment plans. See now you can see the package has been edited, and you can add new plans too, where you add the package name, the daily percentage increase of that plan, and the duration of the plan, the minimum amount of the plan, and the maximum amount of the plan. Then you click on add package to register the plan into the database. So when you go to send mail, you can send mail to all the users in your platform, and you can actually send mail to a particular user. Just type in this mail subject, type in the email address of the user, and type in the message, and click on send. So by the time you go to settings, this is where you do your website settings. You put in your website link, you put in your website name, put in your website email, the title of your website to the website here, and the referral commission. Remember when I mentioned about the referral link and all that on the user side? So this is where you set the referral commission. So to manage the admin user accounts, go to accounts. So this is where you change the admin email address and also change the admin password. So this is how the website works. So right now I will take you to the installation of this website and how you can actually set up this website for either for yourself or for a client. So to be able to set up this kind of website, you must have your domain name and hosting. You can check this video description link for some links of some hosting that you can purchase from. So set up this website for your clients. You will have your domain name and hosting and the script too. So you can read through the video description to know how you can get your hands on these scripts. So right now I will create a subdomain. I will use a subdomain for this training. So I'll create a new domain here. I'll call it endmode. My domain name. So you don't have to upload yours to your subdomain. You can do yours under the main domain. So I'm registering my subdomain now. Still loading. So I just registered my subdomain, and I'll go to my file manager. I will click on upload, and I'll select the script. Then I will upload. The upload still comes in. Until the upload finishes, you don't have to exit this page. So you just have to be patient and wait for it to finish comes in. So it has finished uploading now. I'll go back to my file manager. I will reload this page. You can see the script right now. So what I'll do is I will right click and extract this file. So I'll go into the folder. I will select all and move all files into the directory which I actually want it to be. So next thing is I'll go to con.php to set up my database. I'll go back to my cPanel and then go to MySQL database wizard to create a new database. So I'll call my database endmode TP. Then I will copy the database, open a notepad and save it there. So I'll create a user and say endmode user. Go to password generator, generate a password, copy the password and click I have copied this password. I will also save the password. Like, I'll create a user now. I'll click on all privileges, then I will click on next step. So you can see now I'll copy my user and I will save it here. So I'll go back to my file manager now, the com.php. So the first one here, after the localhost, the first one here, what we put there is the database user. The second one you will add is the database password, and the third one is the database name. Then you save changes. Save changes. So I'll search for phpMyAdmin and click on it. So you go into the phpMyAdmin, you select the particular database which you created. So I'll select the one I created, which is this one, and I'll click on import. So I'll go back to my file manager now and go into the SQL folder. That's where I'll see my SQL file and I'll download it. So it has finished downloading now, and I'll go back to my phpMyAdmin and click on browse. I'll select the database file which I downloaded and open it now. Then I'll click on import. So it's importing now. Still importing. So my database has successfully been imported. You can see so import was successful. So these are my database table now. I'll go into the admin table now to see my admin details. So you can see this is the admin details. I'll load up my site now and see if it's working. So I'm having an error. Just trying to see what the error is about. So the error is actually being caused by the PHP version. So you should know that this particular script, the PHP version, which will make it to work very well, is version 7.4. So I'll go to select PHP version now. And I will select version 7.4, and I will apply. Saving now. Still saving. So give me an error. I will have to do that again. So my PHP version is in 7.4 now. I'll go back to my website and reload. You can see now the website is loading very well. I will log into the admin site, which is /admin/u/login.php. So I'm putting the admin email address, and I'll put in the admin password. So I was able to log into the admin side now, so which means that we successfully configured the website. So the part where I'll teach you how to configure now is the payments section. So remember when I started this video, I said the payment is actually automatic using a payments gateway. So now I'll teach you how you can set up the payments gateway. So go to config.php, edit the file, you will see API key here and you see IPN secrets here. So you will get this API key and the IPN secrets from the payments gateway, and the payments gateway is Nowpayment. So I'll go to nowpayments.io. This is the payment gateway. You can see start accepting crypto payments now. So this nowpayments.io accepts crypto payments, just like the way you use your card to make online payments. So this is how you can also use crypto to make online payments. So if you don't have an account, you can go to register and create an account, then you will log in. Before you log in, make sure you verify your email address. So right now I'll go to the dashboard because I've logged in already. This is the dashboard. You can see right now, this is accept payments, store and send funds and all that. When you go to transaction history, this will show all the past transactions which has been done on your account. So you can see mine right now, mine is showing. And when you go to payments, same thing here, it shows the payment history too. Payment link to all the payment links that this gateway has generated for you for that your particular account. So we also display here. So now to get your API key and your IPN secrets, you go to settings, go to payment settings. So you see API keys. This is where you have your API key. Then you will also add a new key here. You can add a new key here. Then you copy the key. Then you remove this one. Then you paste. That's your new key. Then you go back again. You scroll down. You see instant payment notification. That is the IPN. And you generate a new IPN secret key. You copy the IPN secret key. You remove this one here and you paste the one you copied from your own account. So you see IPN callback URL. IPN callback URL is the particular link which the payment gateway use to send notifications to your website. So on this particular tutorial right now, I will copy the link of my own website. So you copy from, you have to leave users, so you copy from here, you move from here and you paste. Don't forget to add the slash. You can see right now, this is how your link should be. So if you uploaded your script inside the public_HTML, remember I actually did mine with a subdomain name. So yours will be your domain name /users/callback.php. Then you click on save. You click on save. So the next thing is you scroll up again. You see payout wallet. Payout wallet is actually your own personal wallet, which the payment gateway will send the funds to after they have helped you collect the deposits. So right now, for each of the wallets in the dashboard, so right now, so for example, now you want to collect Bitcoin payments, you go to add another wallet. Click on BTC. You put in your BTC wallet address, then you click outside the box to save it. You can put a default. Let me see if it will work. Okay, I can see it didn't work. It actually knows it's not a real wallet address. So you click outside the box to save it. Same thing goes for Ethereum balance. you look for Ethereum. Look for Ethereum. You put in your Ethereum wallet address. Then you click outside the box to save it. So all coins which you will use to collect, all coin which you will want to collect payments with, you will have to set the admin. Sorry, you will have to set the wallet address in this payout wallet. So that is it on the payment gateway. So make sure you carefully connect your API key and your IPN secrets. So to get this script, just go through the video description and contact me if you find any difficulty installing this script. Thank you very much for watching.